Hey! Hey! Yo! God damn. So, I know it's been a while since I've done a damn video. But, as you can see, I have my car apart. Yes, I have my car apart. I get it. So, I've been having like a fucking, like a slow ass misfire. Like, do-do. Do-do. And I'm like, yo, what the fuck is that? So shit, change. You know, you go to the fucking basics. You do the spark plugs and wire, right? Okay. I turn on the car again. Do. I'm like, So I'm like, okay, whatever. Do this other, you know, because I don't got no fucking compression tester or igniter or whatever for the fucking for the spark plugs. You know, we do this shit, you know, street shit. So I'm like, yo, let me see if the car is, you know, not out of timing. So I'm over here doing my timing shit. I'm like, oh, this looks good. Top dead center. Okay, cool. You know, I take the covers off and shit and everything, and I'm like, whatever. I look down to the pulley, and I'm like, well, that shit's off. Okay, well, that shit's off. That's not a good thing. I go down to where the main harmonic balancer is at, and I'm like, this shit's off 3 ticks. I'm like, yo, this could be my problem. Whatever. I get this shit done, take off the fucking mount off, take the post mount off, take this wheel off, where I'm over there lowering it, got a jack and everything. You know, all the cool shit that nobody wants to fucking see, right? It's cool, but fuck it. So I'm over here, I time the car up again, put everything back on, with the valve cover gasket on, valve cover on, whatever, with the gasket, blah, blah, boom, boom. I go to start the car. It's fine. It's running good, no check engine light, no nothing. Cool. My point is, I get this, now the misfire is smaller. Like, it's literally smaller. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay. So the last thing I check is like, well, my shit's ticking. Cause, you know, I was like, could your valve timing be, I don't like, I did, what I'm trying to get at is, I did a valve adjustment, right? So, I'm like, whatever. So I did it, right? I got my filter gauge shit right here, I'm over here. I said, okay, well, now they're telling they're good, they're at spec. Put everything back on again, boom, start the car. Well, it's not ticking no more, so that's a good thing. And then today, I'm like, yo, my thing is that I'm getting, the motor is getting, it's like flooding with fuel. I'm like, what? I was like, well, at this point, all the injectors are good, the connections are good, because I did a swap, it's a B16A, or GSR trans. And I'm like, yo, the plugs are good, this and that. So, find out to be, the smallest thing can be your problem. You know that, right? The smallest thing can be your problem. Check me. Check me, mate. These are all my injectors, right? So they all look good. I pulled the first one, I'm like, hey, shit, good. Cylinder 1 good. I was like, cylinder 2 is good. Well, cylinder 3 is good. Cylinder 4. There's my fucking problem, guys. I got a cracked fucking fuel injector. It's all good though, because they only run for like $100, right? Times 1,000. And I believe it's, I think B series, all B series and D series, they all go for, they're all like 240 cc. You know, if I'm wrong, correct me, whatever. And I still gotta time my dizzy. You know, I gotta get one of those little fancy shits, you know, the flashlight bullshit. You know, like the timing. Oh, there goes cylinder 1. Oh, there goes cylinder. Oh, perfect. You know, that's about it. Well, there you go, guys. One of the causes that you can probably be either running rich, or the car is fucking getting too much fuel, or this and that. You can do a whole bunch of shit. They have testing shits for this, but I don't know if the tester can detect a cracked one. I don't fucking know. Well, my thing is, I do this shit the old school way. You know, we get in there, we take the whole motor apart, and then we put it back together, and then we find the deficiencies. But at the end of the day, one of your main concerns, this is what a cracked injector looks, for those who don't know. And it might be the problem for a little ass misfire. I can see, because I ain't getting no code. You can't get no code for this. Shit, I'm over here with my scanner and shit like, well, shit says really good. But nothing. At the end of the day, guys, thank you for fucking watching. My YouTube channel is fucking crazy. I post everything. I don't know, I haven't posted in so long, but at the end of the day, thanks again. Like and subscribe. If you want to see more content on my car, I'll do it, but I've been kind of sketched about it. But you have a good one. Oh, fucking injectors, man. Shit. Now I gotta go to fucking Honda. Well, I think my boy got some injectors with it. Oh, camera still with it? Yo, go. Nah, click the next video, bro.